going to teach you the Single Ladies Dance inspired by Beyonce music video, okay, but I made my own tweaks to it, okay? So basically in this video, I'm going to teach you the introduction, which is 4 counts of 8, and then the first verse, okay? So the first part is what's called the introduction. It's all the single ladies, okay? So for the entire first stanza, okay, your right arm is going to be like I'm a little teapot, short and stout, okay? You're bent, your palm is down, your left hand is on your hip, okay? And obviously you're going to have a little bit of Beyonce attitude with it, move your shoulders, move your hips, but the basic step is going to be your arm goes out, your arm comes back in, your foot goes out, and your foot goes back in, okay? Ready, go. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Okay, and it's our 4 counts of 8. And then at the end, she goes, now put your hands up. Okay, so what do? We started with our right foot, okay, with our right knee out to do the single ladies, right? All the single ladies, just back and forth, lots of attitude, okay? And then the last 2 counts before this verse is up, you're going to do ball change, okay? So your left foot is going to come back behind the right foot to do ball change. And then you're going to do a développé kick with your left leg, okay? So your leg, you're going to use the ball change to get some momentum to make sure you kick high with your left leg. And your arms also are going to come up, développé, okay? So ready? All the single ladies, all the single ladies. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So let's try that from the beginning. I'll try to do all 4 counts. Okay? 5, 6, ready, go. All the single ladies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the introduction. Now is the first verse. Okay, so the first verse has, I count about 6 counts of 8. Some of them are a bit short. Okay, so the first count of 8, your left leg is going to be available because we just kicked it. So don't put your weight on it. Instead, walk out to the side. Okay, so we're going to do side, together, hands on the hips, 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 hips. Okay, so that will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to do another side to the left. 5, 6, nod your head for 7, 8. Okay, so that count of 8 real quick. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now while you're doing those nods, you want to get your right foot ready. Okay, in the video, Beyonce puts her leg up actually real tall. We're just going to get our right foot ready to start walking for the side for the next count of 8. Okay, so we're going to do walk, behind, walk. Okay, a 3-step walk to the right. Started to dip, dip. Okay, now this is 4. So if I did 1, 2, 3, now my arm comes out for 4, and my left knee is going to pop out. Okay, so my right foot went right, behind, right, and then dip. When she says dip, we're going to dip. Okay, now you see my left leg is now free, so I'm going to take that back. My back's going to round. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's going to be our second count of 8. Okay, so remember the introduction. Now put your hands up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so just like we did a pop on the dip, we're going to go back to neutral, and we're going to go 5, 6, 7. Back rounds down for 8, okay? Now we're going to take the right foot and slowly walk back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, hold 7, and then it starts. You have to hold 2 counts only. It's not a perfect count of 8, okay? So we did now put your hands up. Okay, we start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just put your body a little bit on a diagonal while you're holding 2 counts with your finger pointed to yourself for me. Okay, now we're at count number 4. Okay, we've got up, body, knee. Okay, so we're gonna do chest pop, knee pop. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is a body roll. We're gonna start from the knees. The roll is gonna start from the knees. Okay, because we did chest pop, knee pop. Now our knees are gonna start bent. Okay, when you do the knee pop, you're kind of squatting down a bit. Your knees are bent. You just stick them out to the side and then back. And then while we're down here in this position, we're gonna put our hips forward, stomach forward, chest forward, shoulders forward, arms forward. Notice I'm still on a diagonal. Okay, so that count of 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now from here, I'm gonna do step, step facing forward. Okay, so this was 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, but we're also gonna do the arms 1, 2 at the same time. Okay, so arms go right, left, and feet go right, left. Okay, so we were over here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And now we're gonna do a head roll. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and kind of hold that. Okay, and then for the last count of 8, we're gonna do 3 poses. Everyone's gonna take turns who starts with which pose, okay? So we're gonna hold each one for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? And then 13, 14, 15, 16 is kind of skipped, okay? So everyone choose the order of these 3 poses that you wanna do. Not identical, not synchronous, okay? So one person is gonna start with the left hip popped and the right knee popped and leaning on it, hold for 4. Somebody else is gonna do the opposite. Their right hip's gonna be popped, their left knee's gonna pop, and their hands are gonna be on their hips. And then somebody else is gonna point, okay? So, you know, obviously, just choose a pose. Okay, so let's say person number 1 does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? Or someone else is gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and each one you just hold the pose. Okay, for 4 counts. Everyone does it in a different order, but all at the same time. Okay, let's review. From the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Now put your hands up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now let's do it with the music.